Hello everyone, today I'm going to review the new NJ gas stove. This is the model NSD 11. It has one single double ring burner, and you would need to put the brass cab in the middle. You would find the brass cab enclosed in the box. It is equipped with safety device which will allow you to use the cooker indoors, as it will cut off the flame if the gas flow is off. It also has an automatic piezo ignition and an adjustable pan support. You can use this cooker in your home, but it can also be applied for professional use. It has a very powerful burner and it can withstand a very large, heavy cookware. In order to connect the gas cooker to the gas appliance, you would need a gas bottle for propane, butane, or their mixtures, in other words LPG, with a compatible gas regulator, a flexible hose, and a Jubilee clip. You need to place the hose into the gas outlet of the cooker and push it firmly. Then you just put the Jubilee clip and tighten it up. Once you have connected the cooker to the gas supply, then you can start using it. All you need to do is press and turn the knob anti-clockwise until you hear a clicking sound. This is the piezo ignition. This is the correct combustion of the gas. This means that the airflow and the gas coming to the burner are adequate in order to get this blue flame. If for whatever reason the flame that you're getting looks like that, you need to regulate it from the air dampers which are underneath the burner. You just need to twist and turn to left or right until you get the blue flame. You can find the air dampers underneath the burner over here. As you can see, they can be turned easily left or right, so you can get more or less air into the combustion. You can adjust the pan support in order to use small or bigger size pots. You can do that by placing the adjustable parts inwards, like that, and you can place a smaller pot and it will be steady. If you try to use it like that, the pot will lay on the burner, which is not the correct way. If you want to use this size pot, you should use it with the adjustable parts inwards. You can also use bigger wok pans if you turn the adjustable parts upwards, like that.